is how I made this Oreo ad using Canva. By the end of this video, you learn how to animate with confidence. Let's dive in. First, I'll start by removing the background of the element. Then, resize the element by increasing the size and placing it right at the center. Next, I'm going to reduce the duration of the screen to around 2 seconds. Then, I'll duplicate the screen by right-clicking and selecting the duplicate page. I'll scroll down to the Draw tool, click on Pen, choose the color white, then increase the size of the pen. I'll use the pen to draw, or rather erase bits and pieces of the product element like this. Cool, right? Then, I'll duplicate the page and do the same until I get my last byte. Now, let's add transition. On the first screen, I'll select the match and move transition and decrease the duration. Then click Apply between all pages. You can play the click to see whether you have a smooth transition or not. Perfect. Once done, it's time to download the short video and upload it to my canvas. I'll delete this image before dragging and dropping my downloaded short video into my canvas. Let's add a new page and change my background color. For me, I'll go with turquoise blue because I love it. Next, I'll go to the element library and choose an Oreo image that suits the vibe. I'll drag and drop my image into my canvas and remove the background. Then, I'll adjust the image and place it at the center. From here, I'll drag and drop another Oreo image from the elements library into my canvas. Then, remove the background. Next, crop the image of the hand and rotate it to adjust the position to create that lift animation effect. To do that, I'll go to Animate and select Rise Animation. Then choose Direction from top to bottom and increase the speed. I'll duplicate the page to prepare for the next creation. Now, on this third screen, I'll leave the hand image like this. Perfect. Let's add the transition between the second and the third screen. I'll go with Match and Move to create that smooth transition. It's time to create the fourth screen. I'll drag and drop this image into my canvas, then remove the background and adjust the image like this. Next, I'll duplicate the image until I feel the hand movement fits right. Perfect. I'll duplicate the page and detach the two Oreo fingers from each other, just like this. Once done, I'll add the transition between the fourth and the fifth screen. Likewise, I'll use the Match and Move transition. Alright, now on to the final creativity. It looks a bit tricky, but dope. For this last screen, I'll go to Elements and search for the circle and change its color to aqua blue, just to look different from the background color. I'll duplicate the circle and place it right in the middle. From here, I'll go to Layers, Show Layers and duplicate the circles while rearranging them to form that fancy looking pattern until the end. Next, I'll highlight all the circles and pick Pop Animation and select on Enter, then reduce the speed to 0. Then, I'll drag and drop my Oreo product right into my canvas, increase the size and place it right at the center. I'll go ahead and select Pop Animation, choose on Enter and increase the speed. And that's how to create this magical animated product ad in Canva. Excellent, right? If you want more about this magical design content, please like and subscribe.